Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements. Currency and rank matter, so check your rel or Robux balance and required unlocks. Once confirmed, log in and open character menu, then navigate directly to Dojutsu or face options. You should note current stats or save your build before swapping. This prevents accidental loss. Begin the item change flow immediately. Select the eye slot you plan to replace, because that first choice determines available presets and costs. Make sure you understand the price shown. Now you select and customize. You pick an eye preset and use the preview to check proportions and animation. This matters for visuals and gameplay. Then adjust color, patterns, or effects where provided, because small edits change how the eye syncs with abilities. Once satisfied, the interface will show cost and potential cooldown or trade restrictions. Double-check those figures. You confirm the purchase and apply the eye. After applying, inspect your character in a spawn or safe area to verify behavior. Finish by testing. Go to a safe zone and use your abilities and emotes to ensure the eye's visuals and mechanics work as expected. If something looks off, revert to your saved build or reapply the previous eye while you troubleshoot. Make sure to clear cache or restart the game if animations glitch, and check server status or official announcements for known issues. One key tip: if the change didn't register, relog and confirm the purchase history before contacting support to avoid duplicate charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.